The following video is the LEBLOND model 4025NK heavy-duty sliding bed gap lathe. It is 34.5-inch swing with the bed closed. With the bed open, it is 130-inch swing. It is 132-inch between centers. With the bed open, it's 216 inches between centers. The serial number of the unit is 2NK-507. The machine is new 1961.
RPM.
23 RPM. 26 RPM.
30.
30 RPM.
And 35.
35 RPM.
39.
39 RPM.
45.
45.
52.
52 RPM.
And 60.
That's 60 RPM.
66.
66 RPM.
76.
76 RPM.
88.
88 RPM.
And 102.
102 RPM. That's the fastest we're going to put the machine up. The machine is sitting on wooden blocks. And for safety, that is the top speed we are going to do.
Feet. It's moving forward to the truck.
It's feeding forward.
Yes.
The bed is feeding forward.
Go reverse.
It's feeding away from the chuck now.
Yeah, it's making the oil mark bigger and
Oh, you
bigger.
can see the oil. Yeah, you can see the oil mark. Carriage is feeding away from the chuck. Cross slide.
Reverse.
Now reverse.
Now, we have to put in the nose valve for the lead screw.
Gauge the lead screw. Engaging in the half nut, feeding forward towards the chuck. You can see the machine is feeding forward.
Reverse for the lead screw is over here.
Reverse of the lead screw.
Now it's gonna go away from the chuck.
Engage the lead screw in reverse, going away from the chuck.
Rapid motor.
Come
Rapid motor on. Close. This is speed. Over here. Forward.
You're rapid on your cross slide.
And reverse. Now, blood into now.
You're rapid on your carriage. We're going to show the bed. Open up. Forward, reverse toggle switch.
Going forward to spin.
Oh. So the bed is closing towards the spindle.
Now we're gonna reverse.
Okay. Now we're going away where the bed is opening up. You can see the bed is opening up. I put my finger here again. Bed is opening up as
It's still moving?
yes.
This is for air, for lifting the bed, helping
Your air assist.
great work.
Again, the following video was the LEBLOND model 4025 NK heavy duty sliding bed gap lathe. The serial number of the unit is 2NK-507. The machine is new, 1961.